Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I ended up getting I think it was a 91 Camaro RS. A gentleman that lived in Texas had a Nissan 300ZX. I thought, hey, let's send him a message and see if he'll trade. He actually said yes. His wife wanted it. I wanted the 300ZX, and everything kind of panned out from there. So I want to show you guys what I have. So this is a 1990 Nissan 300ZX. It is a non-turbo. It is a 2+0. It has a few things that need to be done, of course. As you see, the body work on it needs to be painted. It needs a front bumper, radiator, injectors, fuel rail. The gentleman that I traded the Camaro for has the fuel rail for it. He's going to send it to me whenever he gets a chance. The front bumper I do have. All the glass is there. She is missing a lot of the interior, or a lot of the back interior. It is missing a couple of things on the back end, like all the trunk pieces are missing. I've got to track that down. It does have the Nissan 300ZX rims on it. It is missing the tail, or the third brake light. The center light is broke, so I'm actually looking for one of those if anybody has one. It has, I think that the exhaust is factory. It does have new headers, and it's got what a lot of people call fart cans. So she needs work to get it running. It's not going to take a whole bunch to get it running, I hope. The air conditioner, someone pulled the air conditioner out. It wasn't the people that had it. There's a story that goes along with this car. I'm not going to get into the story because I'm not exactly sure what the exact story is. It does have a brand new wiring harness. I still have the interior kit that goes with it. So this is like a grayish or dull black interior, cloth interior, except for the dash. I am going to replace that. I have leather interior for it. I don't remember who I got it from, but I am going to replace the leather interior, or the cloth interior, with the leather interior. My plan is, I've never seen this done, never, is I'm going to take all of the plastic pieces once I get them in. I have to track them down and order them and things like that. So I'm going to track them down, and then I'm going to wrap them in carbon fiber. A lot of people are like, why would you do that? So 30, 31, 32, 35-year-old car, or these cars, and this plastic gets brittle and it likes to break really easy, crack, and things like that. So you wrap it in carbon fiber. Of course, everyone knows carbon fiber is extremely strong. I don't know how to mold, like take the old carbon fiber or the old plastic pieces, create a mold and redo it. I don't want to do that. Carbon fiber is really expensive, so if I happen to break the carbon fiber or mess up anything, I'm out. So if I just wrap it in carbon fiber, that will be a lot easier trying to get better light. So we are just going to wrap all the plastic pieces in carbon fiber. I know you can buy some of this stuff. You can buy like the center, like where the shifter is, you can get that in carbon fiber. I'd rather do it myself. It is eventually going to get the wide body kit. I just want to get the car running, looking good, you know, everything like that before I start, before I spend $3,500 on a body kit. It does need the mold around the windshield. I forgot to show you guys that. So it doesn't have the mold around the windshield. Missing mold here and here, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's missing the mold from the T-top and in front of the T-top. For some reason, those mold pieces for the entire kit is almost $600 just for these mold pieces. So I'm gonna see if I can track down what I can use. I'm sorry, I have a giant oak tree sitting here so it blocks light. So I am going to attempt to piece this stuff together. I did find a guy, I think he's out of California, that he has pieces, but some of the pieces he has is for a 2x2. For those that don't know about 300ZX, the 2+0 is a 2-seater. 2+2 has a back seat. I have the 2+0, so she has no back seat. So he has the windshield pieces, and he's gonna sell them to me for a decent price. I'm gonna end it here. Stay tuned for the next video, and probably be here pretty quick.